Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix voicemail not working on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and click on app list. After click on app list, if you want to fix this problem, so search voicemail from here. For example, this is voicemail. Click on voicemail and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache voicemail. After clear cache voicemail, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone. Click on reset all settings. Click on reset and enter your phone pin. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so click on settings app, click on my phone, and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix voicemail voicemail not working on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.